Welcome guys, this is Anthony Vijay. This is my 19th video. So today's topic is multiplication table from 2 to 10. Let me see one by one. Multiplication table of 2. Let me see how to do this in the easiest way. Okay. So first of all, you have to draw a table. That table supposed to have 5 columns and 2 rows. So in that table you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Same as here also you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In the next step, write a pattern in terms of 0, 0, 0, 0. In the first row, last cell you have to write 1. Okay, and you have to continue the 1 with the second row first cell also. So here also you have to put 1 here, 1, 1, 1. At the second row last cell you have to put 2 here. Okay, now you can write a table. So 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, you have to map like this. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 3. Let me see how to do in the easiest way. So first of all, you have to draw a table. Table contains 3 rows, 3 columns. You have to write number in series in this form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second step, you have to add 0 in front of it. For the first row, 0, 0, 0. The second row, you have to add 1 in front of it. 1, 1, 1. The third row, you have to add 2 in front of it. 2, 2, 2. Finally, you have 30. Okay. Multiplication table of 4. Let me see how to do this in the easiest way. First of all, you have to draw 2 ends. Write even numbers in this form. So first you have to start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Here also you have to start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In the top point, you have to put 0 in front of every number. 0, 0. The bottom point, you have to put 1, 1. At the end, you have to put 2 here. The second gem top point, you have to start with 2 only. 2, 2. The bottom point, you have to start with 3. 3. Finally end with 4. Okay, this is the easiest way. Now let me see the table. 1 into 4 equal to 4. This is 4. 2 into 4 equal to 8. 3 into 4 equal to 12. 4 into 4 equal to 16. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 6 into 4 equal to 24. 7 into 4 equal to 28. 8 into 4 equal to 32. 9 into 4 equal to 36. 10 into 4 equal to 40. That's all. Multiplication table of 5. I'm just going to explain this in an easiest way. You have to draw a table with 5 columns, 2 rows, and then you have to write 5 0 5 0 5, then 0 5 0 5 0. The next step you have to follow in this pattern: 0 1 1, 2 ones, then 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4. Finally you have to mention 5 here. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 6. Let me see how to do this table in the easiest way. First of all, table 6 can be done by the help of table 5. Table 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay. Now you have to mention the table 1. You have to write like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you have to add both the numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6, 10 plus 2 is 12, 15 plus 3 is 18, 20 plus 4 is 24, 25 plus 5 is 30, 30 plus 6 is 36, 35 plus 7 is 42, 40 plus 8 is 48, 45 plus 9 is 54, 50 plus 10 is 60. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 7. So here I will going to explain how to do table 7 in the easiest way. So first of all, you have to draw a table in terms of 3 cross 3. It means 3 rows, 3 columns. So you have to start a sequence from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. The next step, you have to add a pattern. Here 0 1 2. First row end with 2. The second row you have to start with 2. Okay. 3 4. The second row end with 4. So in the third row you have to start with 4. 5 6. Finally 70. Okay. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 8. So in this video I will tell you the tricks about the multiplication table of 8. So let me go into it. So first of all, you have to draw a table, 5 columns, 2 rows like this. Okay. Then you have to write even numbers in reverse order like this: 8 6 4 2 0 in the first row. Same way 8 6 4 2 0 second row also. Okay. Then you have to add 0 in front of it. So you start with 0 here: 1 2 3, 4. So first row end with 4. The second row you have to start with 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 9. First of all, you have to write a sequence. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Leave small space here. In the reverse, you have to start from 9. 9, okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you have to put equal to. You have to join both the digits. 0, 9, it means 9. 1, 8, it is 18. 2, 7, it is 27. 3, 6, it means you are joining both the digits like this. 4, 5, it is 45. 5, 4, it is 54. 6, 3 is equal to 63. 7, 2 is 72. 8, 1 is 81. 9, 0 is 90. That's all. This is the easiest way. Multiplication table of 10. So I'm just going to explain the easiest way of multiplication table of 10. Let me see. So first you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So starting from the 1 to 10, you have to write in a sequence order, and you have to add 0 at the end of every digit. That's all. This is the easiest way. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.